So I know you guys have been hearing me talk about this a lot. I want to finally show you guys this bot, right? I want to finally show you guys more information because I feel like it will be, I think it's something you guys would all enjoy, honestly. I think everybody wants to be able to make money while they're sleeping, while they're not on their phone, while they're doing other stuff, right? You just want to still be able to just have some sort of income coming in. And I think this bot is a solution for that. So what we're gonna do, right? We're just gonna watch all the videos. It's like 2 or 3 videos, 12, 15 minutes each, right? We got 30 minutes, right? We got 30 to 45 minutes to sit here together and learn about some stuff. Let's see. Cool. So I'm gonna just get the first video going. So is this the right link? Let me see. No, I just want the, and I guess this works though. Let's see. Cool. That is the right one. All right. So when you guys get to Eazy Bot, you log in, it looks like this. Like I was telling you guys, the usage of Eazy Bot is free. You guys can hear me, yes? You guys can hear me, you guys can see my screen. All right, using Eazy Bot is free. You can sign up, you can trade the one coin, and the only thing that they're gonna do is take 30% out of whatever you make, right? Now, the cool thing about the bot is it's got 3 different levels to upgrade. It's got the one coin. Here, we'll look at it together. Right, so you've got advanced, where you can trade up to 10 coins. All right. It's a 20% software fee per trade as opposed to the usual 30. So instead of 70-30, it's 80-20, right? It turns into 80-20. You trade up to 10 coins. It's got you the guides, tutorials, everything. You can earn as an affiliate. Trade up to onto 2 exchanges, right? So you can trade on 2 different exchanges, whether that be like Coinbase, Binance, and whatever other exchanges that they're available on. Group support calls. I mean, we can do all that stuff too, but this is just what you get. The VIP, you can trade all the coins, right? So when you upgrade 250, you can trade 10 coins. 990 for 995, you can trade, let's say, if an exchange has 50 coins, you could trade 50 coins, right? The bot would trade up to 50 coins for you. Per se, you would, I mean, of course, you would need an account size to trade 50 coins per se, but it's doable. That is something that is available to you. And you get all of the same perks, right? It's no difference other than just the ability to trade more coins, the one-on-one private call. I believe it's with the, that I'll have to confirm. I'm not sure if it's with one of their devs that like worked on the bot, or if it's with the founder who created the bot. I just got to double check on that, because there's like people who are like right next to him and shit like that. But other than that, that's what you're looking at, right? Either 250 to trade 10 coin free, right? So let me start. Free to trade 1 coin. You only get the 30%. That they tax you 30%, you keep 70%, right? For 250, you can trade up to 10 coins, right? And have all of the other perks and things like that. 995, which is probably the route that I'm going to end up going, which for me, just like the way my brain works, that just makes the most sense. And so that's what I'm looking at. I do want to state, this is like this is an investment, right? This is not something that you're going to necessarily start seeing a whole bunch of money immediately, but it is something that is going to make you money over time during a time where you are not able to make money per se, or during a time where you need to be making extra money, you know? So I just want us to look at that. This is not like a get rich, let me just go and, it's an investment. So it's something that, I'm looking to slow play and just let this do what it does on its own by itself. I'm not looking to, turn it off or anything like that. Are there any questions so far? So I just kind of wanted to go over the basics. Are there any questions so far? You guys should be able to unmute yourselves. If not, I'm gonna go to the first video and then we'll just watch the first video. It's about 12 minutes. It gives a little deeper explanation as to what's going on.
I had a question, Sean.
Yeah, what's up, Brian?
Hey man. Were there any I missed the first few minutes, but were there any I know guarantee is a loose word, but were there any like or I guess what's the record, I guess, so far in terms of their
7 to 12%.
Oh,
7 to 12% per month.
Per month. Okay. All right, cool.
Mm-hmm. So and you know me, bro. I don't trust nothing. I had all of these same questions. If you upgrade, is it monthly? That's a good question. Let me ask him right now. That is a good question. I'll message him right now. So yeah, what they told us is about 6 to 12% per month. And that was with the one coin. You can do 10 coin, right? 10 coins. Say on 10 coins, you just do 2%, right? It's cumulatively, that's 20%, right? That is a one-time payment. That's a one-time payment, Shrine. It is not monthly. So when you upgrade, you are locked in. And I think that's huge. Okay, once a year, he said. Once a year. Which I'd much rather pay $250 one time a year than $250 12 times. So even then, that's still not that bad when you look at, other programs, hell, even this one. You know what I'm saying? Like this one's monthly. I've been thinking about that too, just making it just make it easy. But we'll talk about that later.
How is the leverage determined? Like, I guess whatever account size you make, do they determine the leverage based on your account size, or
there's no leverage? It's not leverage trading, it's spot trading.
Oh, okay, my bad.
It's spot trading, so you can't blow your account. You're only going to trade what you have in your account. It can't go any more or any less.
Oh, so whatever your account has in it, that's what the bot will trade, I guess, mathematically based on whatever you have.
Mm-hmm. Yep. Okay. And so we'll see in the videos too. The way that it works is, I'll explain and then we can watch the video. It's got a software, and he was telling us and explaining this to us. The bot didn't lose. And the reason being is because they did what we were talking about the other day. The bot hedges. So let's say you buy in at $50 and price drops. Well, even though prices drop, it's not going to close your $50 position. But every time price goes up, it's taking a buy at that level of support. Every time it goes up $3, it'll take profit. Comes back down, it'll take another buy. Goes back up, it'll take profit. So it's hedging your worst position per se. So you are still making money every day and not necessarily losing any money. So it was really interesting when he told it to me too. That was my main concern, because when the homie brought it to me, I was like, bro, there's no such thing as no losses, bro. Like, people lose, dude. It's a bot. Like, a human made the bot. It's got to lose. But there's, I guess, an algorithm in there to where it hedges. Let's see if it's in this first video. I think this one. So this is Sammy. This is the guy who we know, who we have connections with. He's right next to the boss. He's been flying with them to Dubai and things like that to get this information. Cool dude. Shireen is funny. She said, I'm sold on it already. Watch, I'm telling guys, this is exactly how I felt. But watch, when you see this information and what this shit does, excuse my language, oh my goodness, you're gonna be screaming this to the mountaintops. So we'll go ahead and we'll watch this first video, and then if you have any questions, we'll take a break, we'll ask some questions, get those questions answered, and then we'll check the second one out, and then we'll go from there, guys.
Because of huge global events like,
I'm gonna be real. Look, I told my guy too, I said, bro, I said, you're a marketer, huh? Right? He said, yeah, I'm a salesman. I said, yeah, I could hear it. He's definitely a salesman, but the product he's selling works. So I was okay with it. Like, I was okay with him selling me on shit.
or life-changing transitional events like technological advances. Now we're moving from the fiat or brick and mortar space to the decentralized finance space, aka crypto. Millions of people around the world are looking for a solution to their money problems. And money is great for giving you products or services, but the most important thing money does is give you your time back. And the two ways that you can create a lot of time for yourself is, number one, be born in a wealthy family, which most of us aren't. Or number two, create passive income for yourself to where you're not working for every cent of your money. Even Warren Buffett himself said, if you're not finding a way to make money while you sleep, you're gonna work until you die. I don't know about you, but that was never a part of my life plan. So I found a solution. It's called Eazy Bot. Eazy Bot is a hands-free automated crypto trader. It's ideal for new traders and it's perfect for the advanced trader. Eazy Bot gives you a 12 to 40% return on your investment every single month without you lifting a finger. Instead of leaving your money in your savings account where you're only making 0.02% a year, why not pop it into Eazy Bot where you're making 12 to 40% every single month, hands-free? Guys, it's so important to let your money make more money for you. This is the way to do that. Let me show you how. Guys, with this amazing bot, we're reshaping the future of crypto trading. Before we get started, guys, all information presented here is for informational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor, and past results are not indicative of future results. So keep that in mind. Guys, Eazy Bot is special, powered by the amazing technology and brilliant strategy of our CEO, Muhammad Ali. What makes this bot so unique is the problems it was designed to solve in the crypto space. We believe that crypto is the future, and it doesn't have to be hard, so we made it easy. Our mission is to accelerate an easy transition into crypto by providing an opportunity to everyone. And our vision is to create that bridge for everyone who doesn't know about crypto to the future of technology in this space. Guys, with Eazy Bot, we make investing in crypto easy. We put you in control with consistent profitable returns. We help you trade crypto confidently, hands-free. We build you a passive income. You can withdraw profits at any time, and you need no experience in order to make the money that you deserve. We do it all with an easy one-click strategy setup. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, there's no need to spend hours and hours learning about the market. You can make money now. One of the largest problems that Eazy Bot solves is when the crypto market goes down. For my crypto traders and hodlers, there may have been a time where you were holding Ethereum or holding Bitcoin when it went through a huge downtrend, and you're just holding your money, hoping that it goes up again. Even when there are drops of 50% to 70% in the market, Eazy Bot is intelligently designed to continue to trade and make profit for you every single day, guys. There's no need to wait for the market to correct because Eazy Bot can close trades and profit continually through the drop. Guys, this is something that no other crypto bot in the world has. This is proprietary information and technology that is going to change the world. With Eazy Bot, you're never going to have a losing trade. It only closes on profitable trades in every case scenario. And guys, all these trades are recorded on the blockchain. So you have no worries as to if these trades are real or not, if they're happening or not, or if you can see them. You'll be able to see every single trade on the website. Another game changer that makes Eazy Bot a trailblazer is something called Easy Automatic Compounding. Guys, with this feature selected, you'll be able to grow your crypto earnings faster than ever. If you let it, Eazy Bot's going to take all the funds it earns for you and automatically add them into the calculation of available funds for future trades for you. It's genius. Let's say you have $10,000 in your account and Eazy Bot makes a trade for you and makes $100 in one trade. Now what happens is it's going to add that to your initial balance, and the next trade you have that same day is going to be based off $10,100. Guys, that is beyond powerful. Along with automatic compounding, Eazy Bot has a profit trailing feature where when the market starts going up and we're in an uptrend in the crypto market, you're making more and more and more money. For the advanced traders listening to this, Eazy Bot is customizable. So it's your strategy under your control. With this customization, Eazy Bot puts you in the driver's seat with the ability to modify existing strategies or create your own, all in one website. Getting started with Eazy Bot is so easy because you can get started for free on our website, and this free package is going to last forever. Next, you're going to open and connect your crypto account to Eazy Bot's API Trader. And guys, this is a super, super important part. Please listen to this. Eazy Bot is going to trade funds in your crypto account. You never have to give your funds over to Eazy Bot, so your funds are always in possession. So no matter what happens, your money is safe. And finally, for the newest member, all you have to do is choose the one-click strategy and you'll be trading in minutes. So again, guys, we have a 24/7 automated trading system, an easy one-click strategy. You can automatically compound your earnings every single trade. It's customizable for advanced users. It's perfect for small or large accounts, and you can get started today for free. Guys, there's no required amount of money to get started trading. However, we do recommend anywhere from $2,500 to $5,000 in your trading account, just starting off. And if that's not something you can do right now, you can go ahead and start with $600 to $1,000, and that's what's recommended. To get started today, there's the free package for $0, free 99, and it comes with a 30% software service fee per trade, which means whatever profit the bot makes for you, you keep 70% of those profits, and the company makes 30% of those profits. With this package, you get to trade up to 2 coins, you get to trade on one exchange, you get the one-click strategy setup, group support calls, guides and tutorials, group support trainings, you can earn as an affiliate, and you get access to our professional marketing app, which would usually cost thousands of dollars. For those who would like to make a lot more money, we have the advanced package for you, and that's $250. And this is going to come with a 20% software service fee per trade, which means you take home 80% of what the bot trades and the company takes home 20% from the bot. And guys, that's amazing. That 10% difference is going to make a world of difference. With this, you get to trade up to 10 coins. You get to trade on 2 exchanges, one-click strategy setup, group support calls, guides and tutorials, group support trainings. You earn as an affiliate, and you get that professional marketing app again. The VIP package is where you make the big money. Guys, it costs $9.95. You get 80% of the software service fees, and you only give up 20%. You get to trade all available coins, which is over 21 coins. It's perfect for all traders. You can trade 5 exchanges simultaneously. You get private one-on-one support calls. You get a one-click strategy setup, guides, tutorials, and trainings. You earn as an affiliate, and you get the professional marketing app. And guys, I forgot to mention, for these packages, you're not paying weekly. You're not paying monthly. You're paying these every year. That's amazing. Now, for those who would like to show people how.
So we'll stop at part 1, because the part 2 is pretty crazy too, to be real. So now knowing what we know, right? Seeing that you can legit make money from this for free. You don't even have to sign up, right? And I think that's probably, that in itself is what made me even want to sign up, right? One of my biggest things right now, even learning in the Web3 space, and the problem with Web2 businesses, right? The problem with businesses is that they need the customer to stay alive, per se. In this sense, they don't need a customer, right? Because they're getting paid on every transaction. And I think that was the big thing to me, is they're not necessarily focused on selling you on something, as opposed to just selling you on something that works. And you'll just make your money there. Now, the fact that you get access to pretty much everything the same and can just trade less coins, I thought that was also dope. So is this just crypto that is being traded? Yes, this is only crypto. This is only crypto, not forex, straight crypto. Which in some cases yield you higher returns. You got to think, crypto is moving on a daily basis, and the percentage gains on $2,000 as opposed to $1, right? It is a lot higher. So that's why crypto trading has become a lot more popular, because of the percentage gains that are yielded. But yeah, it's only trading crypto, which I think is powerful, because even if you don't know how to trade crypto, or if you want to focus on trading forex, you can have a bot trading crypto for you in the back end, funding your forex account, right? Or that one time, let's say you're not comfortable putting your money in a live account. I would even think it's safe to put your money in a bot for free in your own exchange. Wait a couple months, learn the skill set, let that account double, or get your money, get 20-30% off of your bread, and throw that in a trading account. Right? This is just a way that I'm trying to find people to get extra money, like have like some liquidity, right? Some money coming in. So that way people can fund an account. Or if a trading week went bad, okay, well, let's go hit Eazy Bot up. Let's go see what it's been doing for the last 3 weeks. And I think that's where the power in this is a lot of people were, like Bro Z was asking, well, can we take your trades, or how can we do that? This Eazy Bot. This is another way to be able to supplement somebody's income. I don't want to say supplement an income, because it's still an investment in, as everything. But it can make you a couple dollars a day when you're not making a couple dollars a day. And I think that's the biggest thing. The other biggest takeaway too is when we start getting into the second half of this, which, granted, people may not be super gung-ho about, because it involves affiliate marketing. But I think when you hear and see how it kind of works, and I think once people realize you can use this for free, like, I know you guys all signed up, but has anybody put $250 in their account taking advantage of this bot for free? Like, please, I'm begging you guys, right? Because the worst thing that happens is the money just sits in your own account. Nobody can come into your wallet and take your money out. Nobody can go into your trading account and take your money out. The worst thing that happens is $250 sits in your account, right? Or however much money you put into this bot. But put $100 in and turn the bot on, connect it to Binance, and just look and see what the possibilities are. I had a homegirl call yesterday, and another group that I showed this to. So he said, oh man, that bot, she's already using it. I had no idea. She's already using it. My homie who put me onto this bot, he's already using it. I haven't signed up for it yet. I've been busy. He's using it. He's already saying, oh yeah, I see what it does. I see, it's making a couple of dollars a day. And that's really the ultimate goal, is for it to just make a couple of dollars a day, right? So now I'm gonna show you the second half of this, and what they are trying to do and give back, in a sense, and like kind of how they're trying to do it. And why I'm even more like, okay, I see what they're trying to do.
For these packages, you're not paying weekly, you're not paying monthly, you're paying these every year. That's amazing. Now, for those who would like to show people how amazing Eazy Bot is and how profitable it is, we have a robust affiliate program for the serious and the curious. The first way you can make extra passive income is through our annual package sales commissions. When a new member subscribes or renews using your affiliate link, you earn $100 from the advanced package on level 1. And on level 2, you earn $25. Let me explain. When you sign Johnny on a $250 package, you get $100, which is 40% of that package. When Johnny signs Susie, he gets $100 and you get another $25 because Susie is on your level 2. With the VIP package, that $9.95 package, you also get 40% of that. So when you sell that package, you get $400 on level 1 and $99 on level 2. Guys, these numbers are insane. You'll maximize your earnings even more with our software service fee. Guys, you'll earn a percentage of all the software service fees paid by your team to the company. On your first level through your 5th level, you earn 8%. So combined, you earn 40% in commissions on 5 levels. That is dangerous money. On level 6 through 18, you earn 1%. And on 19 and 20, you earn 0.5%. In total, that's 54%. The payment system works like this. We get paid from what the company makes. So through the software service fee on the free package, the customer earns 70% and the company earns 30%. So we get paid 8% from what the company makes out of that 30%. On any of the paid packages, the customer earns 80% while the company earns 20%. So you get paid 8% off of that 30%. We also have a...
The company is paying you back, right? For showing somebody how to use something. And I think where I was like, okay, where do I sign up was when I saw I could sign up for free, right? A lot of times people get put in a position, like, let's just be honest, right? I'm gonna spit some game. Imagine I brought you guys to MCA MLM, right? And it's an MLM, but you have to then sign up and deposit money into your account. A lot of times why people don't go through the MLM structure is because they cannot pay for both. You have to choose which one you want to fund. Do I fund my account or do I fund my access to the information? In this situation, Eazy Bot is giving you free access to the information, right? So all you really have to do is just put your money into the account. But check it. If you have a friend who you know your friend has money, right? We all have, even if we were that broke friend, we have one friend that has money. And that one friend sees what this bot is doing for you for free and wants to put money into it and have more than just the 2 coins to trade. Now you're going to get paid just for that. Now the person who initially was only buying in, who got the free information to the access, who can only trade the 2 coins, now they have the ability to trade more coins. And it's not like damn, I just signed my homie up for a program that doesn't work. No, you legit just put them on to make free money, in a sense. And I say free money because the time that's spent on there is 0. And that's where it becomes even more valuable. The company's not, like you hear it, it's all transaction based. And when you're talking about how many people are on this call, 10 people on this call, even if we had the basic and just had 2 coins, right? 2 coins each, that's what, 20 coins? But it's gonna take how many transactions, right? Even if it was just 5 transactions, that's what, 50 transactions per coin. Now that's 100 transactions. And they're getting 30% on every single one. That company never needs to sell a product. And that's where I was like, okay, I get what they're trying to do. Like, I understand how this is valuable. And then they start getting into this and breaking this stuff down. And it just makes even more sense.
A software service fee matching bonus, and you earn a percentage of all SSF commissions paid to level 1 and 2 team members. What that means is if you sign Johnny and he makes $100,000 in commissions that month, you get an extra $8,000 in commissions. When Johnny signs Susie and she also makes $100,000, you make an extra $3,000 in commissions. And for the month, that's an extra $11,000 that you made just by showing somebody else how to make some money. Even if you're a free member, you have full access to the depth of this affiliate program. If you refer one paid member, you're qualified to earn from levels 1 and 2. If you refer 5 paid members, you're qualified to earn from levels 1 through 10. If you refer 10 paid members, you're qualified to earn from all 20 levels of your team's SSF. Guys, there are no lost commissions and no breakage because any commissions you earn on levels you're not qualified yet are held in a reserve wallet for you. And once you're qualified, those reserve commissions will be paid right to you. And guys, this product and company is so amazing that it gives you access to something that is going to build you generational wealth. And it's called the Founders Club, where you get to share in a bonus pool representing 5% of all the company revenue for the company's lifetime. The qualifications to get in the Founders Club is that you have to be one of the first 1,000 members to accomplish the following. 1, sponsor 3 members who are advanced or VIP subscribers. That's the $250 pack or the $995 pack. 2, you have to help those 3 members you sponsor 3 different members each who are advanced or VIP members. And number 3, you have to be a VIP yourself. Guys, the company's goal is to have about 250,000 paid members in their first year. When this happens, the first 1,000 members to accomplish the Founders Club are going to share in a bonus pool of 5% of the company's revenue for life. What that means is after the first year, when that 250,000 paid members is accomplished, you'll be earning about $40,000 residually hands-free. Your second year, and let's say nobody else joins the company, it's still at 250,000 people, your earnings compound. So now you're making close to $100,000 to $200,000 for that year. And the next year, the end of year 3, you're scheduled to make around $500,000 or $500,000 every single year after that. And it keeps growing and growing and growing. Guys, this Founders Club is too important to miss. Eazy Bot plans on opening even more profit pools for people like you and me who want to make more money just for showing people how to make money. This is an incredible opportunity, a lifetime opportunity that you're only going to get once. Like I said, guys, this is crypto made easy. And if you found this through me.
Yeah, I think that last part, I'm going to touch on that again. So this is what got me interested, and when I was like, okay, I see what they're trying to do. So the example he gave us when we were on the Zoom was this same example. Okay, let's say you hit this Founders Club and the company gets to 250,000 people and never gets any more people, right? It hits 250K and just caps out there. Like a traditional MLM, you would think, oh, well, my money is not going to grow, correct? If you were in a traditional MLM and no more people came into the company, would you get more money? All right, would you make more money if nobody else came in? Let me see who's falling. Did anybody? Oh, people fell asleep. You guys falling asleep on me? You guys can still hear me, yes?
Yeah, we all here, I think.
I'm just making sure. I hope you guys are here because this is. I hope you're here, right? You wouldn't make any more money. What he told us, and I promise you, I had to ask this man 3 times because I had to hear it. I had to make sure I heard what I was hearing. Even if the company brought in no more people, it did not grow, right? If you hit the Founders Club, your income would still double every year. Anybody want to guess as to how that is even possible? Anybody? Did anybody see or hear something that would?
Well, you said they make something off of like their members that, you know, join and the money that they make. So maybe I'm thinking like just because no one members like join, the money will still be being made for the people who, you know, who are there, and maybe their money is getting made more and more. So then that's why it's able to increase like that.
Absolutely, because transaction fees, because that's how the company makes their money. It's not a consumer-based model. It's a transaction-based model, which in an economy where transactions are endless, aka the blockchain, that's a bag, guys. That's a bag. Right? That
the bot never stops trading.
it
So as
never
long as the
stops
bot is
trading.
trading, you're making money and they're making their transactional fees. So
Exactly.
it never ends.
It
No matter
never
how many
ends.
people are in, it never ends.
It never ends, right? And that's what got me, guys. That's why I said I'm gonna share this with everybody I know more than anything I ever have, because it'd be doing me I'd be doing you guys a disservice. Finding, yo, this shit is free. Go sign up. It's free. It's free. All you got to do is put money in your account that you already do on a daily basis, right? Something that you already do. It doesn't leave anybody else's. It goes to your wallet, your account, right? It has an auto compounding feature. So let's say it's 11 of us on here. Let's just say we're consistently hitting for a bag on our coins, 10 coins, 5% a coin. 10 coins, 5% a coin. That's damn near 50% of what you're like every month. And they're compounding it. So it's not even really 50%. It's like a ridiculous amount. Like it's you want a penny doubled every day, sign up for Eazy Bot.
I got a question for just the masses. I just want to make sure that we're all on the same page. Does everybody in attendance understand what the power of compounding means? Like, does everybody understand what compound interest is? I just want to make sure, just because I think it's becoming more of a common term, but I think that people understand it less and less. Okay. All right. So we got a couple of yeses, because it's just as simple as if anybody knows that if you take like, let's say I had a $10,000 account, if I double a $10,000 account 12 times, I'd have just under $40 million.
Right. Well, I'm gonna show you, Mimi. You guys can see my screen, yes?
All right, cool. Yeah, do that.
We'll go with $100. Right. 5%, right? We just want to make 5%. How long? We want to say 30 days. We'll say a year, right? Because let's just say that we turn this bot, we put this money into this bot and let it go for a year. 1 year. Right, 1 year. 365 days. We're gonna include the weekends. Every day, my daily invest rate is 100% because I'm not withdrawing until the end of the year. I'm just trying to show you guys something, right? I'm just trying to show you visually what numbers do. All right. 5% a day, right? And this is gonna be different from the bot because this is showing us daily, right? So if it's 5% a day for that, well, I mean, they said 12, so we'll go 2. We're gonna go 2% a day, right? Which is really not a lot. Right? At the end of the year, you have, what is that, $137,000? 6 figures. In 1 year, making 2% every day. We'll go 1%, which on a good day would be 30% a month with that bot, right? That's still $3,000 for doing nothing. And these are just really low examples, right? Brian's giving you guys a real example, a real trading example. $10,000 account. We said the average to make is about 2 to 5% a day trading, right? So let's say we make 2% a day for a month. 2% a day for a month is $6 million, almost $7 million. That's the power of compounding, because the first day you're starting with 10,000, right? But the next day you're starting with 10,200. I put 330. Oh, it'd be even more money. $113 million. All right. What's up, Mimi?
Them numbers is crazy.
Mhm.
I gotta I need to hold on. I gotta simplify it real quick. So that's starting with a $10,000 account. So you initially had put that $10,000 in.
Yes. Now
But-
this is in terms of just compounding. We're not talking in relation to the bot. This is just showing the power of compounding in a whole, as a whole.
Okay.
So
Because
yes, you put $10,000 into a account, whatever it may be, and whatever we are trading is making us 2% every day. That's why I say it's not in relation to the bot, because the bot is 7 to 12% a month. So it's less than 1% a day.
okay, and then the percent, that's basically the turnover, like what that bot is making. So it's
Yes.
making, okay, I get you.
The percent
Okay.
is how much the daily interest rate and percentage is how much you are looking to profit a day, every day.
Right.
So even $10,000 making 1% a day. So that's making $100 every day on $10,000 for a year would still give you $377,000. No, 3 million. I'm sorry. Oh, 330. Wait. There you go. Yeah, 377,000. That's what I was thinking.
See, now 10,000, that's what kind of what throw me off though a little bit. Would you, that it's possible though with any amount, right?
I mean, look, I'll show you with $100 making 2% every day, making $20. That's taking your $100 and going and finding a way to make $20. Whether you had $100 and you took out of that 100, you took and went and bought some rocks. All you gotta do is make $20, right, a day.
So also compounding, what compounding does is, so on the first day, that 2% makes you 120. Well, is 2% $20 or
That's $2. I'm sorry.
$2?
Yeah, it's
Okay.
$2.
So it makes you 100 and so you'd have $102 after the first day. What compounding does is it then makes you 2% of $102, which
Right,
is
because
more
he
than
didn't change that amount. He said he was leaving it in for a year. That was that one blank he left in, right? It was like
Right.
100%. Okay,
Right.
got you.
I never took money out.
Yeah. So every day it's growing, that it's taking 2% of what your new value is, not $100. It's not making you $2 every day. And then that's what turns into, $100,000. That's not how it works. It's making
2%
a consistent percentage off of what your
Okay.
account grows by every single day.
Okay,
Right.
I so get that now. This is kind of like what Shan was doing back in October when he was trying to do that
Yes.
the this to this challenge, you know?
Yes.
Yes,
But instead, now
exactly.
this is basically the bot
Yes.
doing.
That's how you can reach
Exactly.
that amount in that amount of days,
That's
is
how you do
because
that.
of compounding. Yes.
Look, 5% a day on $100, making $5 a day. Do you see what this number is? That is making 5%. I'm sorry, 5% every day, right? At one point, your account is going to get to $500, right? Well, 5% of 500 is a little different now. Eventually, your account will get to $1,000. 5% of $1,000 is a lot higher. And that's how it keeps working, right? That's why if anybody ever asks you, do you want $1 million now or a penny doubled every day? What are you going to say?
You can give me that penny every day.
Thank you, and thank you, right? Double my money every day. That's the goal. That is compound. That is the seventh wonder of the world, quoted by Albert Einstein, right? Compound interest is the seventh wonder of the world because you can take $100 to 500, wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. $5 billion? What the fuck? No, bro. No way. There's no way. But there is a way though, and that's the that's crazy. That's crazy to see. So what about? Okay. So the thing is we would have to do something like it's like not even 0.5%. It's like 1% of 1%. When you think about it, right? Because let's say even on its worst day, let's say the bot, we'll make it even. Let's say the bot makes you 10%, right? A month. That's about what, 0.3% a day, right? 10% a month would be just under. Yeah, I want to say that that's how that would work.
I'm sorry, Sham. I missed the math. My son was talking. Say it
No,
again.
you're good. If I'm making 10% a month, right? That's just under 0.3 a day, right? 0.3% a day.
10% a month. Point. Yeah, because 30 into 10 is point. Yeah.
Right. So we'll go with 0.3, just on the high side, right? And that's with one coin. That's just on the one coin. So I'll double that because you trade the minimum of the 2 coins. So we'll say 0.6. Left it in for a year, not investing on the weekends. So even with that one coin, or with the 2 coins trading, if it's only making you 10% a month, like if that's all it did was just hit 10%, you'd still have an extra $5,000.
And Sham, I'm kind of curious too. So the bot will have there will be a day where it don't make that percent. You know what I'm saying? Or is it just a surefire thing where this thing's just gonna be blue skies all day long, every day?
No, there will be. So that is what he also said. But based on the way that the bot works, right? Is every trade gonna hit immediately? No. But cumulatively over that 30 days, you will acquire that 10%. And I see that happening based on 2 things. One, you've got the auto compounder, right? So even if you're making $5, the next time your bot's trading off of $10, the next time it's trading off of $20, the next time it's trading off of $40. You see what I'm saying? And even if worst came to worst, hold on, let me see, right? So it's got the auto compounder. Oh, and it hedges. That's what it is. The hedging aspect of the bot is, I think, also the big factor of how you can still acquire that percentage. Because it told us it could sustain a market drop about 50 to 70%. So that means even if the market went from its extreme high to an extreme low of about 70% pullback, it's still going to be able to successfully make you money in that market. And we know as traders, if we see a market drop of over 70%, we're in way deeper trouble than worrying about our damn bot account. Like, if I'm being honest, right? Like, we're in way deeper waters than worrying about that. If we're ever to see more a 70% drop of anything at one time. So I feel like with the way that the bot is hedging, with the auto compounder, you may not see every trade be a bag, but you will see $3 add up, $4 add up, $2 add up, $7 add up consistently. If that makes sense, if that answers that question.
That does. And like you said, you may not see every trade win or be a bag, but at the end of the month, it will hit your percentage to have compounded you that amount. So I get it. It's gonna have like its own win ratio basically, but it's gonna give you that percentage at the end of the month.
And now this is the worst case scenario. This is us trading 2 coins, right? If I'm trading 10 coins and it's averaging 0.3 a day, that's 3% a day in a sense, right? Is my math right on there? Right? That's what that would average out to. Granted, it's amongst the 10 coins. So one coin may give you 5%. Another coin may give you 2%. One coin may have a great day and give you 13%, right? So I think once we start thinking about it that way, you start trading 10 coins. Now that 0.3 times 10 becomes 3, right? So we're talking about 3% a day. Still the same $600. At that point, you probably would have to have more in that account amongst trading it amongst 10 different coins, right? So let's say let's double that, right? Let's say you got $1,200, about $2,000 in that account. Even if you and a homie pieced up together and came together on $2,000 and was trading 10 coins and averaged out about 3% a day, right?
We don't have control over like if we do the VIP account, that's just you're trading 10 coins. Like you
pick the coins. You pick the coins. You pick.
Oh, okay,
you have control. You have full control over everything. You pick your coins. You pick your exchanges. You pick it all. So if we know as trade, and this is why this is like leverage, why it's like a real game for us, because we're already traders. A lot of people aren't trading coming into this. So they're coming into this shit blindly, only hearing about Bitcoin, only hearing about Ethereum, only hearing about certain stuff. Not understanding that, yo, these lower barrier coins may give us they might yield higher percentage returns. I don't give a damn about Bitcoin being at 60. Let me get that XRP, baby, going from 40 to 70%, 30% increase. That's where the money is made, right? So when you think about it like that, bro, we can really, really, really take advantage of this bot. Like you can really take advantage of the bot, right? $2,000, making an average, even if, let's just say it's 1% a day, right? And you make 30% a month. You're going to make, what is that, 6 figures? 6 figures. And this is an extra, guys, this is an extra $75,000. Because remember, you're not doing anything in this bot. While we're talking, the bot's trading. While you're at work, the bot's trading. You can't use this on a funded account because it's, again, this is only a crypto bot. It's not a Forex trading bot. This isn't like one of those. It's not like this is it connects to the API. So it's got an access point. That bot with code, does the bot connect to a real exchange? Like it's all legal.
The bot's not connecting to your MT4.
It's not connecting to your MT4. It is connecting to the back end IP system of said platform. Like this is real legitimate. And that's, we'll do worst case scenario. If you only made 15% trading the 10 coins, you're gonna be mad that you made an extra, I'm talking about an extra 12 bands for doing, you could still be hustling. You could still be hustling, going to work every day, busting your ass. But yo, take 1 month out of that 12 months that you bust your ass a year and put some money aside and go put it somewhere so it could work for you. I'm not talking about no savings account no more, right? Don't put your shit in a savings account anymore. It's a real life conversation that we're having. Stop putting your money in a savings account and start stacking your money into one of these wallets, a crypto wallet, and let's start making some money on it. Even if you only make 2% a month, your bank account is not doing that. Your bank account is not doing that. Your savings account is not doing that, guys. It's just not. It isn't. I think we need to get out of not you guys, just in general. Like, and I say this because I'm about to go put my mom on this and my dad on this because we need to get out of our poverty mindset of, oh, I need to save my money and put it in a bank and build for what? So the bank can loan your money out and go trade with it in the market like we know that they do.
Yeah,
There's no need for that.
Guess what? Your 401k is not doing this either.
And it's not at all. You're losing money on your 401k. Sorry to tell you. You probably lost 12%. Probably 0.12% from the time we started this conversation on your 401k. Just being honest. Probably losing money as we speak, right? These are ways now, like, and I think that's why I'm really bullish on this, and I'm really like, because we know too much now in the 21st century and 2022 to keep slaving ourselves for $1, to keep slaving ourselves in places that don't really take care of us. We know too much and we have too much access to certain things that can help us. Guys, this is crazy. I'm talking 15% a month, right? Doing nothing. And that's even, I still have to put 15 because it's just, yeah. Are there any questions? Because I could talk about this all day. Are there any questions, comments, concerns? Does anybody have anything? Because I really feel, once I got all the information and I chopped it up with them, it was a no-brainer for me. It was a no-brainer. They've got the support, they've got the chats you can go in, but I think the beautiful thing about it is we already are a trading institution, so it's nothing for us to substitute one day and make it all about crypto, so we can map out what coins we want to trade. Okay, we figure out how many people are going to do which one, how many people are going to have the 2 coins, how many people are going to have 10 coins, who's shooting to have the unlimited, right? Like, I really want to help structure you guys a business also to where you could benefit from having people sign up for free, right? Because I need you to understand this. If you go sign up for the basic package, you could go tell your homies and your family and your friends to sign up for free, and you will still get paid. Do you hear me? You can sign them up for free, but because they're using the bot, what happens? There's a transaction fee. But remember, we get a transaction fee off of the transaction fee. Right? I think this is probably like a crack to the code along with what we already know. This answers a lot. This can help people get funded. This helps people fund accounts. I think it just helps us a lot overall. And I really would like for us to all sign up for, even if it's just the 250 one. I want us to have at least access to 10 coins, right? We can figure out ways to structure it and really have us all benefit and have you guys benefiting from this in the maximum capacity that you can. I've messaging him during this. He said he can do calls with us or whatever we would need. Really, we have access to their people. Exactly. It's a definitely no-brainer. Exactly. And you guys can still trade with us. And I think that's the cool thing is we will still be trading, right? We just now have another tool that we can use. So yeah, I'm kind of just curious as to how you guys are feeling about it. Curious what everybody's thoughts are. Granted, it's a lot of information, probably have to take in. But I kind of wanted to get the ball rolling and get started on having you guys see what the possibilities are. what the possibilities are. Yep. Yeah. So, what I'll do is maybe Thursday. I'll get my thing set up, and that way we can do just like this. Well, Thursday you guys can just mirror me and just watch me set up the bot, and I'll get it connected to the Binance. I'll go through it step by step. I haven't personally done it, but my homie who put me onto it, he just went through the process. I got a homegirl who already went through it. I haven't had the time to focus and sit and actually sit down and do it. I was trying to work on something else. But now that I'm showing you guys, because you know me, I'm not gonna tell you guys something that I'm not gonna be doing. So that's why I want to show you guys that I am invested in this. I will be signing up. I'll personally probably be doing the VIP package, to be real. I'm gonna just go balls to the wall and I want to trade as many coins as possible. I would like to see what that founder circle is talking about. If we could bring 5% and back into MCA, cool with me. And the more people we get into there having 5% of their company coming back into MCA, that's even better with me. And that's kind of how I saw it. I just see a healthy opportunity to build a very, very nice business structure. And I don't even want to call it a business structure. It's really just a money-making model, right? That you can put people into and put them into a spot and they can make some money. Literally like that, like in this sense like that. So yeah, we'll definitely go through it on Thursday. Was there anything else? What you thinking about it, Brian?
Well, I like it. I'll probably start out with the 250 package, and then as I could see probably like in 6 months, 6 month worth of, I'll turn on the compounding feature, and then within the 6 months, I guess if I did a $600 account, by then it probably would have made up the difference in 6 months of, and then some of what the yearly package, I'm sorry, the VIP package would require, and then I would just upgrade from there.
That makes sense. Yeah.
Yeah, like kind of let my money make some money for me to upgrade. But I'm already doing like compounding. So I understand the power of compounding, so I'm more interested in that. I'm compounding. I'm trying to compound one of my my client's account, which is which is not easy when you're dealing with like a ridiculous amount of money like that. But I'm really sold on this doubling $10,000 12 times and seeing if I can make that happen. So I understand what compounding means. I've done it twice so far. I've turned 10 into 20 and 20 into 40. Now this for the next 2 to 3 weeks, I'm trying to turn 40 into 80. But yeah, it's just that, like, if anybody understands what I just said, like turning 10 into 20 and 20 into 40, 40 into 80, 80 into 160, 160 into 320, 320 into 640, 640 into 1.2 million already. Like in 5 transactions, you're at $1 million, over $1 million. So that's kind of just what compounding means. And so I wholeheartedly believe in it. For me, I'm not the affiliate guy, because I don't.
Yeah.
I'm kind of reclusive. I don't like talking.
Yeah.
But just for a standalone, I could see holding, for 3 to 6 months and seeing what the compounding feature does, and then really just making it a part of my regular conversation by that point. And then I'm sure somebody would want my link. So yeah, I like it though. I like the way it sounds.
Yeah, that compounding thing is what got me. Yeah, so Ron, that's the thing about the coin analysis. They have all that. I'm man, copy pasta, bro. I'm not doing nothing but copying and pasting it. They got a team. They're going through those analysis. But again, we're traders, so you're right. It wouldn't force us. It wouldn't force me to provide an over the top analysis. It's just gonna force us to get on the charts and do what we do. That's it. That's literally it. It's nothing for us to substitute GBP USD with Bitcoin, with XRP, with whatever coin it is that we may want to trade that we're hearing about. And that's it. That's where I'm saying I think that's where the beauty of us being traders is it doesn't. This is not something that's outside of our realm, right? This is right in our back door. The focus is just crypto as opposed to forex or metal or indices, right? It's just a different pairing of groups of money. But even then, it's automated, so we don't gotta do nothing. We don't gotta do nothing. Even if we just had to read a couple analysis a couple times a month, man, I'm not doing nothing but pressing a button and that thing's gonna go. So I think that's the coolest part too. Is it also doesn't add like an extra workload or anything like that. So yeah. But yeah, if there's no other questions, I'm gonna sit on that. I'm gonna let you guys sit on that. There's no rush. Again, you can utilize the bot for free. There's no rush. It's not. I'm not sitting here trying to sign up. No, that's why I'm telling you, y'all, this shit is free. It's free. I'm telling you, take advantage of free all you can. You got 365 days to take advantage of free. So yeah, I just wanted you guys to see it because I'm gonna be investing in it.
Yeah, it's like throwing an extra option out there that it's like just letting us know that it exists. I mean, this is just for anybody that might even be wondering, like this is not like a sales pitch. Like this is new to me. I've never heard of it until just sitting and watching and listening to Sham right now. So it's just making you aware of something else that's available. It's no different than Sham being like, yo, if you use this credit building tool, it'll help build your credit in 6 months. And then he gives the link for the self or self.com or whatever.
Man, because I hope y'all been taking advantage of that, bro. Come on, man.
That's what I'm saying. Like it's literally the same thing. He's just providing like a resource and saying that like it's here for all of you that are here under like in my group. I want you to take advantage of all the things that I'm being put onto. So here you go. Like,
I mean, this is like, cool. Y'all, we're early in this. There's less than 100 people in the Founders Club. When we're talking about like, right? Okay, so like now let's look at it from a marketing MLM standpoint. When we're talking about there's only less than 100 ambassadors, guys, we're early. We're early, right? And that's what the marketers haven't even hit this thing yet. That's what I'm trying to get you guys to see. We are here before all of the marketing sharks. All of those people are here. Like this is like what we would call in the Web3 space, like a piece of alpha. Like you're getting this first. And that's why I'm trying to get people positioned in a place to where if and for whatever reason, this just blows out the water and people are flocking to us by the hundreds, you guys are in position to benefit off of this affiliate wise. It's free to position yourself. Please take advantage of it. That's all I'm asking. Position yourself for free. Now, if you're going to be an MCA, you might as well be in the bot because it's going to be making you money. Like that's how I'm looking at it. Even if you do not sign up, be in it for free. But if you're going to be here, take advantage of all things that are provided for MCA. Like he's saying, if you guys didn't take advantage of that credit stuff, man, I don't know what to tell you. This past, what has it been, like 8 months since I sent you guys that stuff? Yeah, my credit's been, man, crazy booming. It's taken a lot of work though. You know what I'm saying? Like I've had to do a lot of stuff and make sure everything is on point. Dot my I's and cross my T's. But as long as I'm doing that, man, I've been able to do some things. So it's been pretty nice. feel like I'm starting to understand this whole adulting parenting thing. And yeah, I wouldn't be able to, a blessing is not a blessing until you can pass it on to somebody else. And that's what I'm doing. I'm just passing it off to you guys. That's really it. That's really it. But yeah, I don't have nothing else, man. I don't have nothing else. If you guys have any questions, you know what to do. Hit me up. I'm there. Hit me in the chat. Ask me anything you may need, anything you guys need on the Eazy Bot, anything. Let me know. Stay happy, stay healthy, stay hydrated. I'm gonna catch you guys in the morning, and I will see you guys in the chats. Have a great night, everybody.
London tonight at 2 a.m.
Yep. London 2 a.m. Be there or be square.
No doubt.
Later, y'all.